Good evening, sir.
Good evening po.
Paano nyo po pinaghahandaan ang pagpasok ng panibagong taon nitong year 2026? At anong negative vibes ang hindi nila isasama sa taong 2026?
So, good evening po. I am Ken
Opo.
po, the marketing staff of Lala Garden. So,
Opo.
eventually sir, Lala Garden po open po noong September.
Yes.
Then, continuing 4 months na po kami and then next year is coming na po. So, sa paghahanda sir sa Christmas and then different events po, New Year, what we are going to do po is to prepare ourselves. So mostly sir, the kitchen, the bar, or the food and beverages po na sinaserve namin is more of the Korean style. We want po na ma-experience po ng mga Bulakenyo as well, yung mga Korean style po na food na meron kami. And sa paghahanda naman sir, ina-ensure po namin na yung binibigay po na food, na drinks, na mga pastry po na binibigay namin is quality po talaga.
Yes.
So, and then sa pagpasok po ng 2026, we mag-expect po, we are expecting sir to have more customers since yun nga po, gusto po namin ibigay sa mga tao po, sa, not just in Bulacan, but as well from the different portion of the Philippines as well, na we are serving quality food po. Actually, sir, we have branch pa po in Angeles. We also have branch po in Pampanga.
Wow.
And then ngayon po, sir, yung pangatlo po na yung branch, which is in Kalumpit po. And we are ensuring po na sa 2026, mas powerful and mas maganda pa po yung ma-offer po namin sa mga customer po.
Wow. Salamat, sir. Congrats.
Thank you po.
Thank you. God bless.
Salamat po.
Thank you.